Jamie Greenberg, celebrity makeup artist here, and I've known about Ever skincare line for a long time, and they are coming out with Ever makeup. So they sent me all this stuff and we decided to do a video, and you know I would not do a video unless I love something. It's all about getting out the door quick. Don't blink or you might miss the whole thing. That's how fast this is gonna go down. So the first thing we're gonna be starting with today is the Elegant and Empowered palette. What I love about this is on the back, it has a paint by number, so to speak. They even have brushes that coordinate with the numbers. So literally, if you know nothing about makeup, this is good for you. And we have 1, 2, 3 for the eye, 1, 2, 3 for the cheek. So 1 and 2 is gonna go on with this fluffy side, and 3 is gonna go on with this shorter side. So number 1, I'm just gonna pick it up, and I'm gonna apply it all over. Creates this beautiful even wash. Next, we're gonna take number 2 and put into the entire crease. And then I'm gonna take the flat side of the brush and kind of place the color all over my lid. Now we're gonna take number 3 and we're gonna create a little depth in the corner of our eyes. So now, before we put on 1, 2, 3, we're going to put on the Ever Daylight Tinted Radiance Moisturizer Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 32. I wore this to the gym and so many people were like, your skin looks amazing. It wasn't because I was working out, it was because of this. I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna do this side first so you can see how awesome this is. So this hydrates your skin and protects your skin with a chemical-free SPF, which I think is like worth a dance. This also has the LSR10. It's their patent pending formula that targets the 10 signs of aging. So again, another dance. What? But this is seriously one of my favorite things ever. If you need a little bit more coverage, we're gonna move over to the Ever Daylight Treatment Concealer. So you just take a little, kind of just place it underneath the eye, and then blend it with your ring finger, because your ring finger is your weakest of fingers. And now I'm gonna just bring it other places that I feel I need a little bit more coverage. We're gonna go to the Whiplash Speed Volumizing Mascara. Now, I had fake lash extensions for 4 years, and I'm growing them out now. So the fact that this works on my lashes says a lot, because my lashes are like little stubs that are like, help me. But this is supposed to lengthen and volumize. There's lash extending fibers in this mascara. The more I put on, the longer they look. I love it. I love it. There's a reason they call this Whiplash. People are gonna be hurting themselves left and right. So this is their cheek bronze brush. It's 100% synthetic, which is crazy because it feels like hair. 1 and 1. And you can kind of hit like areas of the face that would naturally be hit by the sun, right? So right here, a little over the nose. And then you can take the flower tip of the brush and kind of dip it in here, and then you can kind of contour with it. So it makes it easy. I mean, look how easy that is. Super easy. Shade my neck area. Then we're gonna use their highlight and blush brush. So here we're gonna take a little bit of that 2, and we're gonna place just a little highlight right here. Look how pretty that is. You can take highlighter and stick it on the apple of your cheek as well. And then we put this kind of like beautiful flush, but then we're gonna put a color over it, which is the number 3, and we're gonna kiss the cheek. And then we gotta finish it off with a gloss. Ever Flash Power Plumping Lip Gloss. Super pretty. It softens, it hydrates. I know it has vitamin E, and I know it has the magnolia oil extract because that's in everything in this line, which is great. So all in all, I'm obsessed with this line Ever. Thank you for sending me all these products. I'm so glad we can make a video together. If you want to get any of these products, go to everskin.com. Thank you guys so much for enjoying me. I'm a better person because of you, Ever. Thank you, Ever. Have a great day, guys. Love you, mean it.